welcome to 10 Mil Socket Garage, where everything goes wrong. Let it go a little bit backwards and dump the clutch. We got some tires, boys. It's a piece of crap, but we don't care. It holds wind. Special thanks to 365 Road Service. I'm gonna put his banner right here. Special thanks to this guy. He made it happen for us. Good price. If you need tires, go see him. I got a tire. Let's see if this thing will drive. Last time we left it, it started up, but it needs some more fuel. Let's hook up the tank. See where it goes. Installed. Okay. Got some more gasoline. Jared's putting it on the tires. Then we will see how far this thing drives. We will try and take it home under its own power. Wish us luck and pray. Holy, I don't know if you can see all the dust coming out of it. Look at this, look at this. Jerry.
Yeah, I wouldn't fuck with it too much.
Can we grab some trash can bags so we can sit on those?
What do you mean? I am the trash.
Oh. That's good enough. You're nasty.
Ah, yeah.
It's better than before, right? Much better.
My neck's not bending into the ceiling anymore.
Exactly. Okay, it's connected. Try and see if it cranks over.
Oh, you got 3/4 tank gas.
Whoa.
I don't think the wires are right.
Nope.
The next day.
Good. Last check up. Ready to go. This thing is loyal. No, remove him. Take him out. Take him out. Not leaking that bad. There you go. Okay, so we got water in it. We got oil, we got gasoline coming. Hope don't catch fire. Let's try and take it home. It's good enough. Okay. Need the wire drop up here. There we go. Sir, are you okay in here?
I think I have anxiety now because of driving this.
Okay, we gotta start it, move it into, do a burnout, then move it into its place.
Burnout? You
Yes.
have hopes for a burnout.
Let's go do a burnout.
Let's park it first, see what parks, then we do a burnout.
Okay. It's a loyal little piece of shit. Oh, don't hit the wall now. Don't hit the wall. Okay, Jerry. Let it go a little bit backwards and dump the clutch. No paso por muralla, por favor. It spewed its guts on the way home, but we didn't want to do much more damage to the engine. The radiator is surely bad, so we towed it the rest of the way home. Jerry, are you amazed you're alive? Tell me in a short sentence your experience today.
Have you ever seen those World Rally Championship drivers? How they saw the wheels?
Yes.
That was me, just starting to go straight. It's not okay.
Hey, this thing has so much play in the steering wheel. You won't believe. Show her. What? It doesn't have a turn. And do it again. And the tires don't even move.
Hold on. This is neutral.
Uh-huh. Oh my
That's
god.
45 degrees of play.
Normally the accepted range is like 2-3 inches of play. This is like
The whole steering wheel.
a whole turn. How did you manage? How did you even manage, man? I would have died. This thing is loyal, man. Wait. Okay, go. Give it the beans. Don't kill it now. Okay, Jerry. If this doesn't put a smile on your face,
You need Jesus.
you need Jesus. Thank you for watching, boys. Please subscribe and like my videos. Take care.